Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Vilo, your tow truck driver over here at CFPP. Today, what we're really gonna go through is just the fundamentals of towing. So stay with us. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the tow truck. That is the vehicle that we're picking up, okay? We have the PTO on, we have everything set. You see this cable? This is called the winch cable. What you would like to do is release the pressure. You see how it's not dangling or nothing? You like to do is release the pressure, see how it's loose now. And this right here, this is how you go ahead and turn the bed on neutral. We just gotta go ahead and pull it and make sure that it stays on the top part over here. This part will go ahead and hold it. Sometimes with the vibration, it'll fall down and then you have to go ahead and come back and put it on neutral, but that's only sometimes. See over here, it's completely stock. What I personally like to do is this. See now, I put it on the 6th or the 7th link chain. So in that way, when you are pulling the car, you're making sure that the car is closer to the bed of the truck. It's better like that. So in that way, you don't have the bed leaning or anything like that. Everything is still, everything is in its position. In case you're gonna have to pick up another car over here, you're not having all the weight inclining towards this side. So we slide the bed all the way to the car. I like sliding it where it touches the front tires. So in that way, when you do need to pull a car, it's easier. It's not going to your left or your right. Some cars are different, some cars are the same, but for this car, for you to put it on the control arm, it'll fit tight. So by the time the tow truck pulls it, it might put it in an uncomfortable spot. So whenever you have to drop the car, you might take 30 minutes, 40 minutes trying to get that hook to unhook, you got me? So just try your best to put it in solid spots and in areas where it's not gonna get stuck. You're gonna thank yourself later. In certain cases, you like to put the car on neutral and lift it up. But that winch machine can sometimes be pulling the car and then all of a sudden release the car. And since you have the car on neutral, it's gonna go ahead and roll back. So you always gotta be careful. In an area like this where there's a lot of cars coming, there's a car parked over here. So I'm just putting it on neutral. So in that way, my tire doesn't step over the strap, but once it's in the middle, I'm gonna put it in park, okay? As we're pulling it, we don't gotta worry about the winch giving up or anything like that because the car is in park. So you're completely safe. Everyone behind you is safe. You're good. Some people use 4 straps. Me personally, I like using the winch, the 2 hooks, and the 2 straps in the front because it's easier. And we make it as tight as possible. In this case, we can't fit the other one, so we put this one in, right? We grab this one, we put it in here, we secure it. This time we need it longer, so I'm not gonna put it all the way down. I'm gonna put it right there. I like to do it like this. Other people do it differently. Just to strap up the car with just the winch and the 4 straps. But me personally, I feel like it's easier to do this. You must wrap it around this area. Don't ever wrap it around here or here. The best way to wrap it is here. And we tie it. Once the tire has an indent, you can stop. But tie it as tight as possible, okay? There you go, see? And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to go.